Describe the static keyword and its usage. In Java, the static keyword is used to declare a member, variable or method, as a class-level member rather than an instance-level member. This means that the member belongs to the class itself, not to instances, objects, of the class. Next section has the primary usages of the static keyword. Static variables. When you declare a variable as static, it becomes a class variable, also known as a static variable. A static variable is shared among all instances of the class, and there is only one copy of it in memory. Static variables are typically used to store data that is common to all instances of a class. They are accessed using the class name rather than through object references. Static methods. When you declare a method as static, it becomes a class method, also known as a static method. Static methods are associated with the class itself, not with individual objects. They can be called using the class name and do not have access to instance-specific data, instance variables. Common uses include utility methods, factory methods, and methods that don't require access to instance state. Static initialization blocks. Static initialization blocks are used to initialize static variables or perform other one-time setup tasks for a class. They are executed once when the class is first loaded, and they can be used for complex initialization logic that can't be handled in a simple declaration. Nested classes. When you declare a nested class as static, it becomes a static nested class. A static nested class is associated with the outer class but can be instantiated without an instance of the outer class. It can access only static members of the outer class and does not have access to the instance-specific data of the outer class.